Confidence doesn't just appear, you build it with intention. In today's Thrive in 5, I'll show you how visualizing your success can train your brain to believe in your next level before it even happens. You are listening to the Thrive in 5 podcast with Cindy Gordon. This is your daily dose of productivity, motivation, and success strategies. I am here to turn your big dreams into actionable goals, one step at a time. Ready to make the most of the next 5 minutes? Let's dive in. Let's talk about one of the most powerful mindset tools that you can use right now. No tech required, no fancy strategy, just you and your thoughts. I'm talking about visualization. And before you brush it off as just daydreaming, hear me out. Your brain doesn't actually know the difference between something vividly imagined and something real. This means when you constantly visualize your success, you are training your brain to believe it's already possible. And that belief, it fuels the confidence you need to take action. So here's how to use it effectively. Create a clear mental picture of the win. What's your next goal? Picture it done. See yourself hitting publish on the thing that's been on your heart, or maybe see the email response that says yes. See yourself on stage speaking boldly. Make it detailed. Where are you? How do you feel? What are you wearing? What does it smell like? What does success look like for you? Feel it in your body. Confidence is a feeling, and feelings are powerful fuel. So when you visualize success, go beyond the image. Feel the joy. Feel the calm. Feel the excitement of knowing that you just did it. The stronger the emotion, the more deeply your brain anchors it. You need to practice this daily, especially before important actions. Visualization works best when it becomes a habit. Use it for 2 to 3 minutes in the morning, before a meeting or before a hard task. The calmer you show up, the more grounded you are. That's confidence. So why does this work? Visualization activates the same neural pathways as real-life action. So when you mentally rehearse success, your brain becomes familiar with the experience, meaning you're likely to follow through even in high-stake moments. So let's recap how to visualize your success to build confidence. You're going to picture your next win in vivid detail. You're going to connect the feeling to confidence, calm, and excitement. You're going to practice this daily to make confidence your new normal. If you're ready to apply this, here's your action steps for today. I want you to choose one goal and spend 2 to 3 minutes visualizing yourself achieving it. I want you to really tap into the emotion that it creates. Use this practice as part of your morning or pre-task routine. You don't have to wait for confidence to show up. You can create it, starting in your mind and then in your life. Thanks for tuning in to the Thrive in 5 podcast. If you found value in today's episode, I'd love for you to leave a review. It helps more listeners discover the show. And don't forget to subscribe so you never miss a dose of productivity, motivation, and success tips. And hey, share this episode with a friend that could use a little extra inspiration. Until next time, keep thriving, and remember, you've got this.